Oh, I got a trommel. I totally forgot they had a trommel. Oh, a tilt track. Bit of a tilt track too. And this one has a spiral at F, just like Euro-Sat. Some nice steaming. We're about to go outside. Finally, that lift takes forever. Oh, quite high. Oh, that's bottom. There we go. Oh, front row. Oh, wow. Voltron below us. You got a silver star to the left. Hello. Oh, blue fire's open. Yes. That's important. Yes, blue fire's open. There's a long walk from here though. Yeah, this was a bit rough last time. Still a little bit of fun. There we go, spinning's gone up a notch. Oh Jesus. You have to bring your bags on this one as well, so be careful everyone. Oh, that's block. Why is it stopped on the blocks at home? Oh geez, please don't break down here. Oh, don't break down about 100 feet out. Ready, steady. Oh.
Geht's runter? Ja, jetzt geht gleich runter.
We're about to drop any second. 3, 2, 1, boom. Jesus, that's rough. It's very shaky. Jeez. Jesus Christ, that's very shaky. Not as bad as I thought it was, but yeah, shaky.